This is the Trade Father along with Koki.
How's it going?
All right, we are here to talk about advanced candle reading etiquette. All right, so from the previous video on candle reading, we learned about the 50% rule to identify if the candle was buying, selling, or neutral.
What are the concepts for advanced candle reading?
All right, so the concepts for advanced candle reading is one, the candle could actually be a neutral buy or a neutral sell. The main advanced concept we want to get here is whether or not the buyers or sellers are in control of the entire move, and to recognize when the sellers are coming into the market or the buyers are coming into the market. Now, the trader can make money using this idea by recognizing for entries and exits.
So could you show me an example?
Sure. Okay, on the chart, right now we see the arrow and it's pointing at a buying candle. Now, this buying candle is leaving, and some people will say this is supply and demand. Other people will say this is a support area. The main thing is that we know that the buyers are in control. Now, on the next candle to the right, the buyers have lost control. This is actually going down, so we can see that what? It's closing, but it actually moved up. So this is neutral to selling. All right, but you see how it's a blue candle. This is where people become too color conscious. This is actually a very weak move. The buyers are not in control, but amateur traders see this as blue, thinking it's buying. And this is where the advanced thought comes in. Now, buying in this, okay, the sellers are coming into the market. Now we get our confirmation with the next candle because that is dominated and that is a selling candle. Now the question then becomes, if the sellers are in control, then the next candle should be a selling candle. All right, so we go over there, we see that it's neutral selling. All right, it's not at the 50% mark, it's a little below, so that's a neutral selling candle. Now the next blue one to the right is also, okay, that one is a buying candle. Okay, it's closing at the top, so the buyers are getting back into control. Now let's see if the buyers can break the high. Okay, we have a high to the left, and we can see right here a new red candle. So what happens? The sellers are coming into the market. Now the sellers are gaining control. If the sellers have complete control, they'll break the low on the left, they'll go through support, and it will stop as a selling candle. And that's exactly what it's done. That's a selling candle that's broken through levels. Now, if the sellers are in control, the next candle should be a dominant selling candle. And here we can see that it's not. It's actually just neutral. Now, this is where you have to look to the left, and you can see that you are either in a support level again or a demand zone. Okay, if I look to the right, I am not in an institutional level. Let's see, am I in a 113 Fibonacci? No, that does not look like that. All right, so we see the sellers now are losing control, yes? All right, so if the sellers are losing control, then we can anticipate that what? The buyers are coming into the market, yes? All right, so then we come over here, we see a blue candle, but that blue candle then closes neutral.
So how and why is this important for traders?
All right, this video is important for traders to help them make money by seeing the character of the candle. And then what? Anticipating what the next candle should be as it goes into a level. If the candle is a strong buying candle on a higher time frame, but a selling candle on a lower time frame, then a reversal could be starting. Now, please click on like if you learned something, or subscribe if you want to see more videos. If you have any comments or questions, please email team@GrowAPairAndTrade.com.